All right, what's up, you guys? So in this video, I'm gonna take you behind my computer and show you how we're gonna retarget to sellers that have looked at a video that I've been running to my whole state. Okay, so we're gonna target them depending on how long they watched this video. Okay, so I'm gonna take you right behind my computer and we're gonna hop into it. All right, let's go. Okay, so let's go ahead and hop into it. So if you don't know what this is the ads manager. This is the back end of Facebook of how you start marketing to sellers and do Facebook ads and all that type of stuff. All right, so what we're gonna do, I can show you this ad right here. I have an ad that's running and it's actually at low quality because I have this image. I think that is kind of obnoxious and doing the most, but as you can see here, when can it play? So it's basically a top 3 ways to avoid problem tenants, talking to landlords. So I'm targeting landlords, and as you can see, I've reached, how many people have we reached? About 13,000 people, and I'm running this to my whole state, and I'm spending about $5 a day. All right, so what we're gonna go do is we're gonna go into the audiences. Go into the audiences. Let's go into the account that we need. All right, so what we're gonna do is create an audience, and we're gonna do a custom audience, and we're gonna do based off of video, and we want to target the people that have watched at least 95% of the video. And what we have to do, let's go to the actual page. Boom, this video here. All right. Okay. And 50% of this video. In the last 365 days. And we're gonna name this, name it video views retargeting. We're gonna create that audience. So that's gonna populate. Okay. And then what we turn around and do is we make an ad. We're gonna create a whole ad just for those people that have watched the video. So people that have watched that video, they're more than likely landlords that are having problems. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna run a lead generation ad. We can call this like landlord lead generation retargeting ad. Make sure you're on the page that you need. Retargeting. We want automatic. We're gonna keep this real simple. Like, we're not even gonna mess with like all of this type of stuff. The only thing we are, well, I think, no, we can't change that. Okay. Yeah. So what I like to do, I like to name, say the second, video views retargeting. Next. Move this out the way. Now what we'll have to do is I'm gonna make an image ad. Now I think I already have an ad in here. So I'm gonna close this out. I'm gonna add media. I have to make one. Yeah, I thought I had one. And it's real simple to make one. You just go into Canva. Okay, so this is Canva. If you don't know what Canva is a site where you can design different graphics and stuff. So I'll pull this off of Google Maps, put a rectangle, put the text, kind of edit the picture. But let's go ahead and make this about the landlord. And actually, I want to change it. Try this one. Ooh. Show you guys this text overlay tool. This is going to let you know if your ad is good or not. It's going to give you a check, or it's going to give you the caution sign. Oh, so we have to redo it. Probably got to make this smaller. All right, so I have to try and 2 more times. You can see we got a little bit smaller on this ad, and it okayed us. So what we do from here, go back over here and we upload it. That's the wrong one. Okay, there we go. Now all we got to do is just put our information, which I'm going to go ahead and do that. This video is already kind of long. Okay, so here we have it. So it's a real simple ad. They give you the previews, but as you can see, sell your rental property hassle-free today. And then I go into, just imagine if you sold your problem property without having to list it with a real estate agent, without having to make any repairs or renovations, yada yada yada. So all the good stuff, all the benefits. Then we have a little description here. We have get offer. They can click that, and then I'm going to send them to a lead form. And yeah, you can see the lead form. You can pause this video and look at the verbiage, but I mean, it's pretty simple of what I get as far as the property address, all that information. Want to make sure our pixel is on. Okay. Everything looks good. Yep. And I think let me make sure I went over the budget. Okay, we didn't go over the budget. So the budget, we're gonna start it off at $2 a day. Okay, so this is retargeting. So the thing with retargeting, you're not gonna have a huge audience, so it's not gonna take a whole bunch of money, because they're going to be seeing this ad multiple times. All right, and I'm gonna call this burnt house ad. Boom. So we got that set up. Need to hit 21. I'm gonna go 25 just because. Other than that, continue. And there we have it. So we have this. Let me filter that. This landlord lead generation retargeting ad is going to retarget to all those people that watched that video from the beginning of this video, that ad, and it's going to pull in some leads. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys how to do that, how to retarget retarget sellers that have watched your ads, because this is a real powerful way of marketing with Facebook. Okay.